Hello and welcome to The Beer Chef. In today's video, we'll be looking at Pinter's very own Golden Grove Belgian Wit beer. So let's brew it, then review it. Six days into fermentation, I can see from the pressure valve that fermentation is still quite active. So I've decided to extend the time from 7 days to 9 days fermentation to ensure that the fermentation process is complete. 9 days fermentation is now over, so we will pop this pinter off the dock and get it over to the fridge. Into the fridge it goes for 7 days conditioning. So there you go, this Golden Grove is now sitting ready for action. It has had 9 days fermentation, 7 days conditioning, and it is ready to be popped into a glass, and we'll give it a little review and see what we think. Let's go get it. So there you go, look at that. That's a posh glass. That is how you drink a Belgian wit beer. Now you can see that it's turned out, it looks very hazy, just like you'd expect, these wheat beers too. It's got that, really quite a white head on it, of course, which is where the wit bit comes from. So I think it looks fantastic. Let's have a smell. It smells very citrusy and spicy. I mean, it smells true to style. It's exactly what you'd expect a Belgian wit to smell like. We'll go in for the taste. Very unique drink. You know, like I say, it tastes like it smells. It's very unique to style. It's a very unique style. It's very true to style. It tastes very citrusy, spicy. It's everything that you would expect. You know, it's this Belgian wit is translated to the Pinter incredibly well. Pinter have done a good job of this. If you like this style of beer, I think you'll love it. So it's as simple as that. There's no point in messing about. Let's move straight on to the verdict. The verdict for this Golden Grove is as follows. Yes, it is. It gets the green thumb. You've got to give it the green thumb. Looks fantastic. Tastes fantastic. You know, it's a real good. It's true to style. It's everything that you'd expect from a Belgian wit. And I think Pinter have done a good job of this. So that is the conclusion of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.